Now we're going to look at the different kinds of articles you may encounter while doing your research. For instance, let's say I'm researching a history essay on the War of 1812, and I found these 3 articles on my subject. They're all on my subject, but only one of these is an academic article. The other 2 are popular articles. Let's figure out which are which. You're probably familiar with this first kind of article. It's a news article. You can easily find these on news sites through Google or in newspapers. News sites are popular sources. This second article is a magazine article. You've likely seen these in stores and waiting rooms, but some are online. Magazines are popular sources too. This third kind of article is a scholarly article. These articles are sometimes called academic or scientific articles. As you'll have guessed, this is our academic source. Let's look at the differences between these 3 articles so we can learn to tell them apart. As we just saw, news and magazine articles are both popular sources. For that reason, they have many things in common. For starters, they are usually written by journalists, not researchers or experts. Next, they try to be appealing to the eye, with pictures, colors, and nice graphic design. The text is also written in an accessible way. Let's compare that to our scholarly article. First, the authors of scholarly articles tend to be experts and researchers. The author of this article is a professor at the University of Ottawa. Second, we can see that this article doesn't have any color or graphic design, unlike our 2 other ones. Scholarly articles sometimes have tables and images, but their goal isn't to look nice. Third, this type of article tends to be a lot longer than news or magazine articles. This one is 16 pages long, while the magazine article is only 2 pages. Because they are so long, scholarly articles often begin with an abstract, which is a summary of the main points. Lastly, scholarly articles usually cite their sources. This one does so by providing footnotes. Most news and magazine articles don't provide any sources. This concludes this video. If you have doubts about what kind of article you're dealing with, remember you can ask the library staff for help.